This is the Acer Aspire 1. With models first being released in 2008, this is one from 2010 when Acer and the Olympics were partners. It features an Intel Atom N450 running at 1.66 GHz with 2 GB of DDR2 SODIMM memory running in single channel. The storage is covered by a 160 GB 5400 RPM hard drive. A strange choice for a netbook, but this was in a time when solid state drives weren't commonly available. In my opinion, the design has aged well, besides the models which featured a ripple design on the backplate. I mean, what were they thinking? The Aspire 1 had a long life, with the first models being put out in July of 2008 and Acer ending production in January 2013, due to the trend of netbooks dying out in favour of tablets. But honestly, that's where the good things about this machine end. The Atom chip this system uses is severely underpowered for any use, and even when we got it brand new, it was slow, which is never good in terms of a computer. As I said previously, the machine has 2 GB of RAM, and that's because I upgraded it from 1 GB, as the machine could barely even handle running just Windows XP. Speaking of Windows XP, I'm confused as to why the machine shipped with it, considering its manufacture date was 2010, 9 years after the release of Windows XP, and just 1 year after Windows 7, the newest OS at the time. The only reason I can figure out for it having Windows XP is because it's low on system resources, but even by then Windows 7 Starter was out, and is a stripped down version of the full Windows 7 experience. In terms of ports, on the left side, the Aspire 1 features a power input jack, VGA port, 2 USB 2.0s, and to the right of it, a full-sized gigabit Ethernet, Kensington lock, another USB 2, and audio in and out. Due to the tiny 10.1 inch LCD this machine has, it uses a 1024x600 panel, which honestly, in this size, is a perfect resolution for all your needs. Obviously, don't do any video editing on it, like I used to, as the machine would literally freeze up and cease to work. And that's about all I have to say on this machine. No gaming benchmarks, as I don't really fancy it blowing up. But the CPU-Z single thread score is an abysmal 5.9, and the multi-thread isn't any better, scoring just 18.3. Thanks for watching this video on the Acer Aspire 1, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.
It's like breathing, it's so easy for me. My heart beating, it just comes naturally. I don't have